On today's episode of MotoCheez.
What is up, guys? So what's going on in Cheezy's garage today, you might ask? I've been wondering about these screw-in cameras, how good they actually are. 40% off right now, $29.99. That's a bargain. So I got my hands on one, so let's see how this thing actually is. Because it's a pretty easy, simple way to get a camera someplace. Of course, you have to keep the power on to the socket. 2K video resolution, 3 megapixel camera. G6 light bulb camera. Consumes under 6 watts. 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi. Negative 10 Celsius to 50 Celsius above. 95% humidity. Up to 128 gig SD card. I got the old SanDisk ImageMate 64 gig UHS 1 card. Let's check this out. See how it works. That's pretty neat. I guess if you want to hook a lamp cord up to it, that's a nice feature to give. Cut an old extension cord and wire it up and put this camera anywhere you want. Or use an existing screw-in socket. Well, it's got a little pattern for your socket. Simple one-page instruction. It's a light bulb camera with a light bulb built into it. There's where the SD card goes. This is not an outdoor camera, as you can see, by the lack of weatherproofing. Made in China. This does have two-way intercom, pan tilt, and I assume digital zoom. It also has tracking. Sounds very impressive. Let's see it in action. Since I have an outlet right up here with some cobwebs, I can use one of these adapters. You can get them at any hardware store or Amazon or any online retailer. They all carry them. Because this camera has to be powered at all times. What's up, Meow Meow? Download the app. Wayne's View Cloud app. Install. Open. Allow it to send me notifications. I'll sign in with my Google account, because you can. Allow to access photos, videos, music, and audio on this device. Add device. Indoor camera. Connect by QR code. Make sure the indicator is flashing. It is flashing. Use the location while using app. Doesn't support 5 gigahertz. So you got to pick a 2.4 gigahertz one. Now I have my QR code for my camera to connect. Make sure that the camera is flashing, which means it's ready.
QR code scan is successful. Connecting to the Wi-Fi.
Let's see if it works.
Wi-Fi is connected. Registering on the server. The pairing is successful. You can start using the camera now.
We'll select garage. I do not want cloud storage. Let's see. Oh, it's working. I can hear myself. It's got a nice wide angle. I like that. Let's see if we do full screen. Being 2K, should be able to zoom in pretty good. Not too bad. What's up, mini truck? Oops. Grab that little dot. Whoops. It's easier just to hit that. So let's see. That's all the way that way. Because of course it doesn't continually keep turning around. So it has a stop point, which is there. and there. So I should try to get this lined up. I've tightened it up pretty tight, so maybe I'll... Yeah, see? Of course it doesn't look straight down, but that's not bad. Not too shabby. It's all my ham equipment. Alright, so that's the pan, tilt, and digital zoom. So you can turn the speaker on and off. Right? You can do it in intercom mode. Have to allow that to access so you can use the intercom mode. Hey! What's going on? Get out of here! Get off my land! Then you can record video. Local video to view. Then you can take a snapshot. I hear ya. Alerts, no motion today, which I probably have to set that up. Replay, if you have motion. Alright, that's when I was setting it up. You can play it at 1x, 2x, and 4x, it looks like. There's your motion. Oh, it's nice, you can download it right from here. Some of these cameras, they don't give you a download, believe it or not. Here's your time zoom down here if you want to go by 1 minute, 3 minute. This must be when I first set it up. Yep. So that's replay. Console is that. I guess right where it is good. So I'll do a set point. Favorite position.
That's what she said.
There's my favorite position. Light off. Light on. Boy, it's pretty bright. Siren. Trigger by motion or siren off. Let's see. So you can do trigger by motion too. Talk mode, so I guess you could just talk. Tap to talk, hold to talk. It shows you what the kilobit rate is connected and streaming between 94, 100, and down to 60. Go up here first. Camera name, which you can rename. Camera ID, firmware version, my IP address, and my MAC address. Invite family members. Local applications. Oh, that's if you're connecting local, huh? ONVIF and RTSP. Privacy settings. Camera timed off is off. Then you have a schedule. If you want to set up a schedule, you could set up a privacy area, which I'm going to leave the entire thing on. Camera microphone. That. Motion detection, sensitivity level. Full area. Save. Motion alert. I'll turn on motion alert. Schedule's not set. Default setting will be 24/7. Huh. It should be 24/7, but I guess it wasn't. I should have went into motion settings. Memory card storage is on. It's round robin, which is when space is full, it'll overwrite the earliest files. You can motion record or continuous record. That's kind of nice too. Light and vision. Full color night would turn on the light at night. I got a motion alert. Is it Gizmo? Yep. Gizmo was moving. Network is on my network properly. Device management. That's where you can restart the camera or restore factory settings. So far, so good. I might find another spot to put this. For a pretty inexpensive camera and an easy way, I'm impressed so far. The only thing I wonder is if you can put it on a PC. More motions. What's up, Gizmo? You mad? Don't be mad. Quality control did pass. It's probably one of the easiest cameras I've ever set up. You know what I just figured out? I actually don't have a camera in this section of my shop, so I know it's not proper. Shut the light off in there. So your notifications will come in. Wayne's View cloud, motion detection for alarm. Kitty left already. It's pretty dark in there. There's Kitty. That's where we're looking now. Oh, I'm going to turn the light on. Pretty good. And we got the alert. Now we'll leave it run for a bit. See what kind of motion we get. So it looks like it does 10 seconds at a time for motion. I don't see anywhere where you could set that any higher. Looks like they're asking you to upgrade, play longer recordings in cloud storage. So your notifications would come in like this. It doesn't have an image, just the alarm time and location. So once you download from the motion record, you go into your DCIM, Wayne's View Plus video, go into the date, and it'll be there. So for the PC app, we're going to go to Wayne's View, PC download, click download, software. There's a Windows 10.0 or later 64-bit or a Mac 10.12 or later. In the installation guide, it doesn't mention that there's a PC app. Open this up and install it. Wayne's View or Wayne's View Cloud. Let's see. Doesn't want to open. Run as administrator. Put in your information. Allow access. That's weird. I got on there and it kicked me off my phone here. If I sign in here, if it's going to kick me out up there. Asking for touch again. That was weird. As soon as I signed in here, it kicked me out. Let's see how this app works. So you can pick 2K or SD. It's 2K. That's nice and clear. So you can do quad here if you have multiple cameras, which I don't. And your alerts show up here. Can't go out, it's raining. No. Sorry. Last time he didn't come in till it was way after dark, too.
Yeah, he's in trouble. If I wanted to download from here, right there. So let's see. We'll download from here. Download success. Let's go into the settings. Download location. I'm going to put that on my desktop. Local photos, local videos, if you decide to record from here. Let's say go to check. Made a folder. Go back to the camera. We're on SD. Let's go to 2K. It does not drag. You have to use the pan and tilt buttons. Do a snapshot. It's weird when I switch to 2K, it doesn't keep the background invisible. On SD, it does. Something I'll have to work on. Let's see what we got. This is what I recorded. And this is Gizmo. What dirty garage, huh? What I don't see is if there's any set points for the camera in the Windows app. And it looks like you're very limited in your settings. You'd have to do the major settings from your phone app. To turn on motion tracking, go into advanced settings, and it's intelligent tracking right there. Turn that on. And let's try that out. So neutral is the one with the grooves, and that is the bigger terminal outside of the base, which would be this one. And your hot goes to the center. So it has to go. This would be the wall. Crazy cobwebs down here. Motion tracking is on. Let's see how it works. Oh, picked me up already. Let's see how that worked. You can click here for the timed preview. Oh, it got me. Got me. So it works pretty good. I mean, for $30. And they cover it with a decent warranty. When I asked them a question about the motion tracking switch, which was right in front of my eyes, they responded pretty quickly. So if you'd like one of these, I got the information down below in the description. And thanks for watching my videos as usual. Until next time, stay cheesy, my friends.
Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want new notifications on new videos. Links for products used are in the description and on MotoCheez.com. Thanks for watching.